Okay, good afternoon, Professor. Good afternoon, classmate. This is my final presentation, my final project. I'm gonna talk about in what I focus my project. My project is based in 5 theories, like is communicative approach, biography driving, classroom ecology, the teacher as participant observant, and grouping configuration. I'm gonna focus on the last one because my lesson plan is based on this concept. I consider this concept is very important for me as a teacher in order to realize that the students learn from each other in a cooperative way, sharing their knowledge. Also, this concept helps me as a teacher to form groups. I can work with my students in different ways, like for example, total group, pair group, partner, a small group, and individual accountability. This is important for me as a educator in order to determine and form groups based in their biographies, based in the objective of the lesson, based in the instructions. Also, for my lesson plan, I choose the strategy vocabulary quill. I choose this strategy because I consider that this strategy has many important aspects like this. CLD students acquire new vocabulary, help to create connection between prior knowledge and new knowledge. Students can draw or write. Students have opportunity to share and discuss in group. Using stick notes, students can add new information, and students individually can summarize what they learn. And as a teacher, I think that when I come back to Ecuador, this kind of strategy will be useful for me and for students. I'm gonna encourage them to complete the 3 stages of the process of learning, like is activation, connection, and affirmation. That's very important in this process. And I'm gonna talk about my lesson plan. My lesson plan is, I choose the book number 1, Unit 6 for students of 8th grade or 8th year. The total of students 30A, and the PEPC-A stage are 36 students in the production stage, 2 students in the early production stage. Okay, now I'm gonna demonstrate my lesson plans. Good afternoon, students. How are you today?
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay. Well, today we are gonna start with the Unit 6. We are gonna learn 8 new words that is related with the reading that you have in your books. But before I start the class, we are gonna read our objectives in this class. Okay, please, Mario, can you help me with the first one?
Yes, Professor. To learn new vocabulary word by reading an article about It's Today Music Bad for Kids?
Thank you. Please, Silvana, can you help me? The second one?
To work in group and draw or write on the vocabulary field what each one knows about the 8 words from the lecture of Unit 6.
Thank you. Paola, please.
To share predictions about the words with your group.
Okay, thank you. Martita, please. No. Okay, I finished? Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, to share.
Okay, to share and talk about the word related with our article with members of other groups.
Please, Freddy, can you read it?
To read the article individually.
And Monica, please.
To write short summary using the new words.
Thank you. So this is our objective in our class, but before we are gonna divide the group, the class in groups of 4, 3 groups of 4, and 1 group of 5. Okay? Please, number,
1,
2, 3, 4,
okay? Number
1,
Freddy,
2,
3,
Paola,
4, 1,
2, 3,
4,
1.
2, 3, 4, 1.
okay, number 1, please, are gonna work here, number 2 here, number 3 here, and number 4 here. Thank you. Please, Fanny, can you help me please with this?
Of course, dear professor.
Thank you.
Tell me about that.
This is, thank you, Anita. Okay, as you know, before we worked with this kind of strategy, you know how to work. You are gonna write these 8 words in each of box, and then you are gonna write or draw what do you think about this new word, okay? But before we are gonna repeat the words, okay? Please, repeat children, teenagers, young, behavior, song, debate, lyrics, and crime. Okay, please, let's start to work. You have 5 minutes to do this. And also, I forgot to say that you have to use different colors or markers. You have, okay. Okay. So, when you finish writing this word, you are gonna draw or write what do you think about each of one of these words, okay? Each one of you have to write something, and then you are gonna share. What do you write or draw in your group? Okay, please, now you can discuss in group. What do you think? If you find some words that it's similar, please circle them, circle with a marker, the similar words that you find. ¿Cuántos minutos están? ¿Cuántos minutos están? Okay. In this group, I'm gonna ask you, you find some words that it's similar in this group?
Yep.
What words did you write?
Lyric and song.
Okay, lyric and song. In this group, what words that you find that are similar?
To
To debate.
Children and young, or teenagers.
Okay, thank you. In this group?
Or teenagers with young.
Okay.
With young.
Song of reading.
Okay, thank you. And this group?
The teenagers and young, crime.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I think this is the part of activation. And as a conclusion, I can say that the method class helps me to increase my knowledge in many aspects. I learn important theories, strategies, and techniques that I will apply in Ecuador with my students. Theories such as communicative approach, biography driving, classroom ecology, the teacher as participant observer, and grouping configuration. And strategies like vocabulary quill and the different strategies that all my classmates apply during this project. All of these concepts will allow me to guide my students in order to facilitate the process of learning. And I realized that I have to focus on my student as a principal protagonist of the education system. Thank you.